Maybe you've heard the expression, "It's raining cats and dogs." It means that it's raining very heavily and not just a little. So, the next time it rains really heavily where you live, you can impress your friends with this expression. Have you ever known anyone who fights viciously with the same person? Well, you could say that they fight like cat and dog. Candy and Brigitte rarely fight. The only time they fight is if they both want the same toy, but never viciously. Dogs bark, but people don't. However, if someone gives orders in a loud, unfriendly way, you could say that they bark orders. What does unfriendly mean? Well, the prefix un indicates something negative. So, unfriendly is the opposite of friendly. It means not to be friendly. Instead of making a long sentence, you can add a prefix to a word where possible and shorten the sentence. Unfriendly is an adverb, but you can add the prefix un to verbs and adjectives too. Let's look at some. Instead of saying, "He doesn't have a job," you can say, "He's unemployed." Instead of saying, "They're not reliable," you can say, "They're unreliable." And instead of saying, "I'm not fit," you can say, "I'm unfit." To pack a case means to put your clothes in a case. So, when you come back from holiday, you don't need to say, "I'm taking the clothes out of my case." You can say, "I'm unpacking." Try to use prefixes and you will upgrade your English. Click here to receive a discount for my Udemy course. Learn English, master the conditionals. Join us again to improve your English and remember to subscribe.